everyone, good morning from here, Saudi Arabia. I'm Irene, a housemaid in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I'm going to be showing you my daily morning routine. Everything I do in the morning, apart from my personal body care, but the work which I do. I'm in the kitchen as you can see, and I'm preparing my tea right here. Yes, after my breakfast, I'm going to be showing you what to do next, okay? So every day I start with the dirty clothes by doing the roundery so as not to waste any time. As the roundery is being done here in the machines, I do some other works. I don't have any specific order that I first do this, then this, but every day I first put the clothes in the machine. Then again, I go to the kitchen and maybe I see how I'll go about that day. So here I'm on the roundery, I'm doing my roundery, then I head to the kitchen right away. As you can see there, I'm going to wash the utensils. Then from there, I do some other things as we'll be seeing. A lot of chores as we'll be seeing. So please feel free to subscribe and also feel free to like my videos. Also, I wish you a happy watching of this video. Let me go out of this and you watch silently my video. Okay, let us see how that morning is going to be today. finally, I'm done. That is it. That is how I always do my work every day in the morning. But remember, I still have to do some other chores. Yeah, but that is in the morning every day. That is what I have to do. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please be sure to subscribe, and also don't forget to comment down. Let me know what you think about my video, and also like my video. There is no reason why you don't like my video. If you didn't like it, be sure to tell me why you didn't like it so that I improve, because I really like you. I want you to like my video. Let us meet in another video. Bye bye. Bye bye.